Are you feeding your brother? Are you feeding him? No. Yeah, you are. Look at you. You're a big boy. Yay! Look. Are you feeding your brother? You're feeding your brother, huh? You're smart. Oh, look at him. That's your big brother, huh? That's the big brother. Taking care of your little brother? Yeah, are you helping him? Yeah, you are. Don't tell me no. Look at you. Feeding your brother, huh? Pay attention. You're a good brother. You're a good brother, huh? Uh-oh.
You're recording that, Daddy?
Yeah.
Cool.
Because look at your brother feed the baby. He's only 1.5.
Hi.
Look at him. He's smart. He's smart. He's serious right now.
Yeah. I think I used to do that when I was a baby. A long time ago.
Yay! Yay!